I am Saima Saif from Government Junior Model Girls High School, Boston Road, Multan. We are working on culture activity for ISA. Our topic is Our Culture is Our Pride. For this purpose, we are going for training in Blue Pottery Institute. What is Blue Pottery? I will tell you about it. Blue Pottery is a traditional art of Multan and is loved for its skill and unique handicraft in all over Pakistan. This painting style is usually blue in color. So, are you ready, girls, to go? thankful to ISA. They gave us such a wonderful chance to explore the world of blue pottery in Institute of Blue Pottery. We learn a lot. We come to know about our culture and tradition. This is our day 2 of our ISI activity. Our culture is our pride. Under the umbrella of this activity, we focus on rich culture of Multan. Blue pottery is a rich and unique cultural heritage of Multan. In this journey, we visited the Blue Pottery Institute of Multan. We learned about the steps of how single made up of clay transformed into a masterpiece by our skillful people of Multan. We felt proud on our rich cultural heritage of Multan. A part of it, we also learned got inspiration of recreating those masterpieces in our institute. Today, we are mimicking those blue pottery artwork in our institute to reflect our heritage and pay tribute to our skillful heroes who are making in proud Multanis in whole world. The whole activity in a self-effort and is totally low cost and no cost.